Hey guys, I'm probably not gonna do this much, but I'm starting a podcast soon, and I'm just telling this to you guys. It's Dumb Unscripted. That's the user on Twitter. You can see here, and go to Twitter and tweet out Dumb Unscripted is great. Hashtag #fam. And I'll like all of your comments, and you guys will get shoutouts on the podcast. And you guys will even be able to join me on the podcast sometime. So back to the video. Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a successful video, or as successful as possible. So first you can go to search, and then you can see all of these most recently searched. I'm pretty sure these are all off of the most searched things. So there's Fall Guys, so you can make a Fall Guys thing, and you can see how many there are in just the last hour. And a lot of people are getting over like 50 views. Some people who just posted no views. Some people with 956 views. Yeah, 31,000 views. Well, that's cursed, but. And you can also see like golf or Shaq and a Fool or NBA Summer League. Well, you can make videos off of all those, and you can also go to your channel and you can go to your channel and check out what your most successful video is, and you can watch that video and see what you did and what you did good. And you can make a good video for that. And you can also make a new video soon about how to make a good thumbnail. I'll teach you how to make a good thumbnail. So yeah, I want to keep my video short, so peace.